Question number 7, find the exact value of the secant of 225 degrees. So since I have my unit circle here, I am going to use it. If I didn't have my unit circle, I would draw out my coordinate plane and figure out which quadrant I was in. So 225, you would be in quadrant 3. So 225 to 180, your reference angle would be 45 degrees. So either way, whichever way you're doing this, you would get your coordinate points, root 2 over 2, and then because we're in quadrant 3, we're going to the left and we're going down. So you take your coordinate points from the unit circle, that is fine. Otherwise, you would draw your triangles out. So if you have your unit circle in front of you, please use it. That's the quickest way. So we know this is the cosine and this is my sine. So x value is your cosine, y value is sine. When I'm doing secant, remember you have your 6 trig functions, sine, cosine, and tangent. Sine matches up with cosecant, cosine matches up with secant, tangent matches up with cotangent. So if I'm looking for the secant, what I want to look at is the reciprocal of cosine. So cosine is a negative root 2 over 2 for cosine. So if I wanted to do the secant, I need to flip that upside down. So if I flip it upside down to get the secant of 225, my ending answer is not done yet, but if I flip it upside down, that's my answer, but I know that I can't leave it like that because of the square root on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply both top and bottom by root 2. That gives me negative 2 root 2 all over 2. Your 2's would cancel out, so I am left with the negative square root of 2 as my answer, which would be the bottom choice.